The reason we are here, it is to understand what is this formula. C is equals to P multiplied by P multiplied by R. So this formula is applicable on each and every human being on this planet. So what is this C and what is this P square into I? Let us understand that in next 10 minutes. Alright? Set expectation. We are going to understand this formula left and right so that we can utilize this information and take away some knowledge. So this C stands for career. C-A-R-E-E-R. So this career is your thought for your self for next 10 years. Am I right? What is career? What is your thought? What is you think about yourself for next 10 years? Right? So the formula that I bring to you is very simple. It is P into I. So I can make this session very interactive. I can ask you what this P stands for, but we have very less time. So first I will get to the point. But first, hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Keep coming. So we are going to check the first P, and the first P is nothing but, what is this word? Potential. That means, what's your name? Aditya. Aditya by nature he is an orange. So I cannot go and tell him that please try to become mango because mango has lot of market value. Why are you being orange? Why are you being just a common orange? Be a mango, market value ज़्यादा है. Try to become a mango. So when Aditya is trying to become something which he is not, he is struggling in his career. Am I right? When he is trying to become what he is not, he is struggling with his career. He is struggling with every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But when I tell him, you are an orange, so raise your standard to a level. When you go to 5-star hotel, mango milkshake and orange milkshake, which both will cost 1,000 rupees, right? I'm not talking about the market. I'm talking about 5-star hotel, where mango ka price and orange price is equal. So always be orange what you are. Don't try to become something else which you are not. So in our time we did not have this technology, but now we have this technology which is called DMIT, and it finds out your your intelligence test. This is I, this is T, this is intelligence test, and it will find out the potential inside you at the accuracy of 96%. So when you have a doubt, by accepting your own self, this technology will help you, and it is going to make you accurate and doubtless. So when you become doubtless, you become fearless. Am I right? So this is P. Now let's talk about the next P. So potential, and this P is personality. Personality. The personality means what? I am saying, Aditya, you are an orange. So Aditya, his personal ability is so high that he says, yes, I am orange. I am one of the India's best telecom service company. Today people call me as Vodafone, right? Because he is thinking about himself like that. I am saying, Aditya, you are a car. He is saying, thank you sir, I am Ferrari. No, you are a Maruti car. No sir, I am Ferrari. Because this is personal ability, right? I am saying, Aditya, you are a fruit. You are an apple. No sir, I am pineapple. I will bite you. So his personal ability. What is personal ability? Thought, speech, action. When thought, speech, action is one and the same, your personality is a personality. And वो personality, इसका thought is something else, speech is something else, and action भूल जाओ. That is not a personality. Thought, speech, action. So this personality comes with grapho analysis. Grapho analysis, which is again 100% accurate science. 100% accurate. In Tare Zameen Pe, Amir Khan goes to his parents and says that look at his handwriting analysis and understand his potential. What is your child capable of? Don't call him stupid. Look at his handwriting and understand the energy and efficiency he has. This is what Amir Khan tells to his parent. Grapho analysis. Finding out your personal ability from your handwriting, from your signature. This is grapho analysis. And next I is your interest. Interest. You know what is the best sweet in the whole world? Which is the best sweet in the whole world? Let's find out. Aditya, कौन सा मिठाई पसंद है? रसगुल्ला. Which one you like? काजू कतली. Now काजू कतली का मार्केट वैल्यू ज़्यादा है, तो मैं बोलूँगा आदित्य रसगुल्ला छोड़ दो, काजू कतली खाओ. काजू कतली has a lot of market value, but I am telling him eat kaju katli. He says no, I want rasgulla. I am saying eat kaju katli. He says no, I want rasgulla. I am saying eat kaju katli. It's there in the syllabus. You don't have an option. Syllabus में है ना, खाना पड़ेगा. Forget your interest. And you will listen such kind of voices, huh? In your entire 12 years, 12th standard, right?
Yes.
You will listen to such kind of things. TV देखना बंद करो. Don't watch television. Keep your interest side. Only focus on career. And then I have to stand and say that sorry. पहले उसको रसगुल्ला दो. Make him happy. और उसके बाद syllabus भी देखेंगे. यार उल्टा है. पहले syllabus, बाद में happiness. मेरा उल्टा है. पहले interest. Because you cannot plan your 10 years without interest. Am I right? So this is super duper important. Where is your interest? PUBG? Free Fire? Let's Free Fire then. Let's have that confidence. Whatever you have interest is going to make your career. So tell me guys, when you think about career, should you be in tension or should you be excited? Tension or excitement?
Excitement.
So when you think about your own career plan, you should be excited, right?
Yes.
Now, let me also tell you that C is equal to P into I. इसमें से एक भी अगर छोड़ दिया ना, career will become a gambling. Career मतलब तुक्का मारा. Career मतलब coin. You have someone who has coin? If anybody has coin? Yeah, I have a coin. So this is your career. When you give your career to somebody else, तो ऐसे होता है. They will toss your career like this, and then they will decide कि heads आएगा कि tails आएगा, putting you in a doubt. So you should not do this. This is your career, and you will toss. And then you will decide कि heads आएगा कि tails आएगा. Nobody else can decide your heads and your tails. Only you will decide what is the best for you. Because when the company was making this marker, the company made thousands of markers like this. But when God was creating you, He created each one original. Nobody is a duplicate of anybody else in this whole universe. Aditya, there is nobody in the whole universe like you. Do you believe that?
Yes.
Do you believe in science?
Yes.
Do you want to do DMIT?
Yes.
You have to accept what is that thing which is making me unique in the whole universe. Otherwise, live your life like a uniform. I am a common man. No, you are not a common man. You are a proper man. I am very normal. No, no, you're not normal, you're abnormal because God has created you like that. And when you get the बांसुरी of your life, तो किसी और का ढोल, किसी और का कैशियो, किसी और का बैंजो, किसी और का गिटार, किसी और का तबला बजाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You should have the बांसुरी of your life in your hand. People who are very happy are actually वो बांसुरी बजा रहे हैं. Sachin Tendulkar, 10th standard fail. He has his बांसुरी in hand. सचिन तेंदुलकर का बांसुरी क्या है? बैट. विश्वनाथन आनंद का बांसुरी क्या है? चेस. आज इंडिया में हॉकी किसने जीता? नहीं. What is the name of the person? ध्यानचंद इज पास. टुडे आज इंडिया के हॉकी में किसने पूरा वर्ल्ड इज सैल्यूटिंग दैट person. Today in Olympics he has represented India in America and we have won the game. I think against New Zealand, I don't know, but Belgium, Germany. Oh, wonderful. India versus Germany, India wins. But what is the name of that captain who is actually leading that team? And that captain ने उसके हाथ में बांसुरी है. वो बांसुरी को बोलते हैं हॉकी. That is a talent. MS Dhoni. He has a government job. He is a ticket checker. Life is full on comfortable. No problem with life. But why does he leaves that job and he gets into a cricket world where he picks up the bat and फिर uniqueness, you know, you have to live your uniqueness. You don't have to live a life which is duplicate, cut, copy, paste. You have to be original. See, कॉपी पेस्ट करेंगे तो 90% एग्जाम में मार्क आएगा. When you are best in copy pasting, you know how much you will score in your 12th standard exam? 95%, 96%, 97%, 98% you will score because you do copy and paste. But I am saying be original. Take God's gift talent. No company will certify you. Only 2 minutes remaining. No company will certify you that you have this talent. No. You will decide what talent I want to have in my life for next 10 years and I will work on that talent. And one day I will tell, I don't want to do job. I am a master of my own self. I am the boss of my own self. Self पता होना चाहिए ना क्या है. Self को define करो पहले. और कौन सा स्कूल, कौन सा बोर्ड, कौन सा टीचर, कौन से सब्जेक्ट, कौन सा लाइन, कौन सा चैप्टर ने सेल्फ को डिफाइन किया, उसको मेरा फ़ोन नंबर देना 8369504415. मैं उनसे बात करूँगा. दैट योर डेफिनेशन इज रॉन्ग. हाउ कैन यू डिफाइन सेल्फ? हाउ कैन यू? यू कांट डिफाइन सेल्फ बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट इन योर सिलेबस. बिकॉज लाइफ इज गोइंग टू आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चंस एंड दैट क्वेश्चंस विल बी आउट ऑफ सिलेबस. ऑल द क्वेश्चंस लाइफ विल आस्क यू, वो सब सिलेबस में से नहीं रहेंगे, सब सिलेबस के बाहर से आएंगे. एंड दैट बुक which defines self is called Srimad Bhagavad Gita.